So I'm the world's worst YouTuber. I went to the junkyard this morning with Dad. We pulled a head off another TSX, K24A2. Had my GoPro, but I didn't even turn it on. It was so hot, and I just kind of wanted to get it over with. So I apologize for not getting any film of it, but I want to make up with it because we're just gonna get to more work. But on top of that, I'll show you at least the TSX head. There we go. All the lobes, everything looks fantastic on that thing, so I am not worried about that one at all. But if you can see in the background today, this is the element that I picked up for $600, and it's in really, really good condition. And I apologize for going ahead and taking it apart. You gotta keep your eyes on the prize, the end goal of getting the CRX. There it is, all dry swapped. All right, this is gonna work. You can go back down with it. I didn't realize I didn't need it up that high.
Oh, it's fine. I can still reach everything I need.
You're good. You're right, he was safe, he was safe.
Yeah. Say when. Hey.
I've had to take mine off a couple times so I remember how it goes.
Oh.
I'm gonna take that off too. Well, there's your motor, transmission, subframe, everything is out of there and ready to go. Came out super easy, literally these 4 17mm bolts and well, a couple wires and drive shaft, etc. But anyway, that's not important. What is important, here it is. It looks in fantastic, great shape. My favorite F word, fantastic. All you gotta do is take the front and back mount off and pull it up to the cherry picker. I'll be doing that here shortly, but I'm just gonna kind of make sure we get everything taken care of here. So this was a lot easier to take off than the TSX was, for sure. We took our time to not destroy anything because I want to make sure this subframe can go back up in there. So we did our best to make sure nothing was cut, everything was preserved, everything's still manageable and savable. So I don't know if I talked about this in a little while, but the K24 from this one, the A4, is going to go for Dad's 280 there, along with the K24A2 head we got today that I showed you earlier. So that is that's going to do it for right now. And I'll go ahead and start pulling this apart, just kind of take my time piddling with that. You don't really need to see that, it's not super exciting, but anyway, when next time you see this, it'll be apart. And it'll be just about ready time to mount to the K24A2 that I have. Voila. Also, that's the element hood on the 280. Well, it was a busy night, but we got it all. The subframe and engine, blah, 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 blah. It's out of there. Blah, 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 blah. The all-wheel drive trans for the K series is here and ready to go in here with that. So I was going to go ahead and stab the old K24 to the all-wheel drive transmission, but I need to just go ahead and not be so much in a rush. Get a new flywheel, new pressure plate, throw bearing, the whole works for a transmission while you got it torn apart, because why the heck not? Besides that one there, a teenager had this that was in college, and not to be ageist, but there was a lot of clutch material all over the inside of that. So it's probably not in the best shape anyway, so that'll get swapped out. That's Dad's motor he's going to tinker with and learn how to rebuild. This is my A2, K24A2. And I'm going to go ahead and bring the degreasing stuff next time I come and start cleaning this up as well, get everything taken care of. I've got the wiring harness here from the TSX. I need to pull the wiring harness out of the element still. I think I'm going to use that for my swap anyway. Oh mercy, but tonight I am done. I am tired after fighting that TSX at the junkyard and then fighting this out of the element. It's been a long day, but a lot of good progress. And this thing is getting even closer. So I'm gonna call for the night. I'm gonna hop the shower and see what we get in tomorrow. So I didn't shoot a proper outro before I left the shop this weekend. Kind of wanted to get out of the shop and before it got too hot. And you know, as you can tell, it's been kind of hot the last couple of days. So what I usually did, so I helped Dad clean the shop up, get some tools put away, clean up some of the mess. And we got the element put back together, the manual element. I did a really good job with it. I'm really happy of how we ended up doing it. We didn't cut any lines, we didn't cut any wires. All the clips were all taken off properly, nothing was hacked, nothing was cut up. I preserved the element. So for the good graces of element communities, I'm still saving that element. That element's not gonna get destroyed, it's not gonna get hurt. It's gonna be eventually restored to its former glory, if not J-swapped. I think that's going to be the initial plan with that one, is save that chassis for a J-swap since it's manual, it's got the pedals, it's got everything ready to go. It just needs the engine and transmission from a J-swap. So with that said, the element's good, it's put away, it's ready for safekeeping. The CRX is getting really close. We got the manual transmission out ready for it. Got to order the flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, all that stuff this week. Besides that, nothing new on that. Gonna wait. Next weekend we got 4th of July, so I won't be going to Dad's. I'll be celebrating with the family. Got some parts on the way in. I got some stuff that's kind of slowing up for the wagon. That's why I hadn't had a whole lot of updates. But this week, I really promise that this wagon update video is coming out, because I have a list of stuff over here just at a screen that you can't see that you're going to be really happy about. I know I am happy about it. It looks really awesome, and I can't wait to show you guys. It's been kind of a secret. Like 2 or 3 people know about it. They've seen it before, but I'm happy it turned out sick. Anyway, enough for that. You guys have a good weekend. Thank you all for the support. The channel's been growing very well in the last 28 days. It's kind of how my analytics have been drawn out, so I just want to say thank you for that. Thank you to all the sponsors. Thank you to everybody who's behind this build and who's helped me along the way, and I can't wait to get back on the dirt. With that said, I missed my first National Rallycross tour this weekend at Ohio, and I wish all my drivers up there the best. If you guys are watching this, you guys did great. I've been watching you guys. really, really, really bummed that I missed that, but it's okay. I'm making history. I'm on my way back there with a vengeance. So be looking for me this year, hopefully. We'll see. Anyway, stay right, guys. Peace.